Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to monitor a DNS server using Nagios XI. DNS servers are considered a critical system because any downtime to a DNS server could cause disruption across a network. Nagios XI will detect any downtime to a DNS server and alert IT administrators immediately to avoid disruption. This will be a quick video, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we are looking at a brand new instance of Nagios XI. The first thing we're going to do is hover over Configure and select Configuration Wizards. In this, we will need to then select DNS Query, which is right here at the beginning. We can also search it right here at the top left using the search function. So we'll click DNS Query, and then right here in FQDN, we will need to enter our fully qualified domain name. So for ours, we will put in nagios.internal, like so, and then we will click Next. As you can see here, it has pulled the IP address of the associated domain controller along with the host name. Now, we would want to keep the IP address the exact same. You can change the host name to whatever you would like it to be. I would recommend leaving it the same as your fully qualified domain name, so we're just going to leave it alone. If your DNS server happens to have a different IP address for this query, you can go ahead and fill this in. Ours match, so I'm just going to leave it blank. And for our query services, we have DNS resolution and DNS IP match. I'm going to keep both of these selected. I will then click Next. And here we can set our check intervals. So here, every 5 minutes, Nagios XI is going to reach out to our DNS server and collect as much data as it can. Should the server be down, we will have a retry interval every minute up to 5 times before it sends out a notification. Since a DNS server is considered a critical system, I recommend jumping this 5 down to a 2. And you can also try your recheck intervals a little lower as well. So now, Nagios XI every 2 minutes will reach out to the DNS server, collect data. Again, if the server is down, XI is going to retry every minute up to 3 times before sending out a notification. The retry intervals basically help eliminate any false positives. If the server goes down but comes back within seconds, you won't be immediately notified. So we're going to go ahead and do every 2 minutes and then a retry interval every minute up to 3 times. We'll click Next. And if you had anyone that you wanted to send this notification to specifically, you would see their contact groups pop up in here. This is a brand new instance of Nagios XI, so nothing will appear here. And we're going to send our notification immediately. Highly recommend keeping this one here selected. Once we're done with these settings, we can go ahead and click Finish. And now that we have made our configuration, I'm going to navigate back to our home dashboard. I'm going into hosts, and as you can see here, the fully qualified domain is up here. And if we click into it and then click services, we'll also see that our DNS resolution and DNS IPs are in the green. And that wraps up today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com for some more great documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.